wowie. Welcome to LA. Catch up and fist bump me. Bam! There's always bike parking. Man, do I know where to go or what? The after ride, first ride? Hold on. Oh, that's the after ride 30-year-old stretch. Man, oh man, I like the burgers, don't like the fries. I keep saying that, and I always forget after I order the fries. Like, why is that? Oh man, I just realized I got like the lane split maneuver, you know? Like the sound to move cars. Well, I wouldn't say it like that. Bart's like, this feels gonna fucking hate Canada. Oh man, we'll get the dual record on you because you say some hilarious. Remember that one time we were I wheelied in front of those girls in Santa Barbara, and you're like, yeah, they love the cock. Remember that? I'm like, what? What are you waiting for, bud? Oh, got him! Point snowcat. That's fine. I'll give you some more time to. Hey, wait! You own that bike though back home. Oh, yours is geared different. You sound like a race car driver. Okay, yeah. Oh man, do I miss the lane splits? Yeah, I'd like to go down on your face. That's some hipster. That's what happens when you run the light, boys and girls. It goes yellow and red, all that stuff. No, they don't care. I forgot about that. I forgot about the old red light. I don't effing care. Snowcat! Got him! You like that? You like that clutch control right there, bud? Oh man, this is what life's all about right here. Just riding with your running red lights, the yellow lights. So that's California green right there, bud. Ooh, look at this. That's not legal at all by any stretch of the imagination. You gotta be, dude, they will come at you from where you don't even know. Look, this guy wants to go into the straight lane from the turn lane. Ah, the smell of LA. So Sunset GT happens right there. Boom. Yep. It's like every 1 month out of the 4 months or something. Every one Sunday of the 4 Sundays. What did I say? Every 4 months of the 1 month. Nice. Yeah, a bunch of supercars go there. They hang out and stuff. If you close the gap, I will make a new gap, and that's not dirty. Get it? I'm good at fitting big things into small spaces. Those memes where it says we're gonna go easy 5 minutes later. If this bike had this much power back home, I would have one. You know? You ready? Alright, here we go. We're coming from the 10 to the PCH, Pacific Coast Highway. And there's a tunnel here that I would love to hear this bike on. I know the homie would love to hear this bike on that. So let's do it. I think third. Or should I do second? I'll do a downshift in second and then gun it. Here it is.